see or not, this is our potatoes that we planted. I guess it was like spring. Yeah. So these are from the bag that you get from Costco. It has like the little red ones and the little, I guess, yellow ones, whatever, in it. And just cut one of them up and planted it down in the dirt. And as it grew, I'd put more dirt on it, and grow up, I'd put more dirt on it. So the other day I was watering it, and there was like a bunch of potatoes, like right at the edge. So it's probably too early, but what is this? End of August? Yeah, end of August. So we're gonna harvest today. I'm just gonna dump them out right here on the ground. See what happens. 1 bucket worth. Maybe there's not many potatoes in there. I don't see any yet.
They're at the top.
Okay. Soil looks good though, huh? We might be a little early, but that's okay. Because I mean, the plants had. I think that's pretty rotten. Plants had. Oh, look at them all. It's too early. You killed them. Too early. They got like mold and stuff on them. I've never done this before.
I think they need to be planted farther down.
So yeah, so they were growing, but they just weren't doing real good. You kind of see there's a bunch of them, but they're all small. And they got like a fungus on the outside of them. So, oh well.
Tried.
That's about the size they were, I think, anyway. But there's a bunch of them that were like little teeny balls just starting. So I don't know what the deal is.
Okay, well.
Live and learn. That was fun.
I'm going inside because it's hot.
It's hot out here. There's a bunch of them in there, but they're just.
Yeah, I think they need to go down farther. Because whenever I've seen videos, they're way down.
Well, I buried them down here, and as soon as the plant started coming up, I buried it again. I kept doing it all the way. So it did it the way that they said to do it, but. I don't know. They also say don't use store-bought ones. They use the ones.
Yeah.
So there's a bunch of them in here. They're green and too early. Too early. Oh well. Kind of see what they look like though. But there's a bunch of them in there. Well, that's a bummer. It didn't turn out that good. Look kind of nasty. Nasty. Oops, here goes my glasses so I can see. Luckily our neighbor has goats. So they can eat them maybe. I mean, there's a bunch of those little ones in here. There's a bunch of those dudes. Just probably harvested them a little early. Probably, definitely, whatever the word is. There's a bajillion of them in there. Oh well, at least we'll get ready for planting garlic here. Coming up pretty soon here. I think we put them in the ground here in the fall. Since basically September is, I think, 2 or 3 days. Too early. Lesson learned. Kind of, maybe not lesson learned. Oh, it's a drought anyway. I should be watering plants. That's the bounty. And there you go. Better luck next year.